Hey guys! If you just started working at a nail salon in the US, especially if you're new here, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll practice quick and easy English conversations for a common nail salon situation. This will help you speak more confidently with your clients. Let's jump right in. Booking a nail appointment.
Hello, Sunshine Nails. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to book an appointment for a manicure.
Sure. What day and time work best for you?
Do you have anything available this Saturday morning?
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening at 10 a.m. Would that be okay?
Perfect. Please book it for me.
All set. We'll see you at 10 a.m. on Saturday.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Welcoming a customer at the nail salon.
Hi, welcome to Sunshine Nails. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. I have an appointment at 2 p.m. for a pedicure.
Perfect. Let me confirm. Yes, here you are. Please follow me to the chair.
Great, thank you.
Would you like something to drink? We have tea, coffee, or water.
A glass of water would be nice, please.
Sure. Please make yourself comfortable, and we'll start in just a minute.
Choosing a nail service. Hi, I'm not sure which nail service to choose. Regular polish, gel, dipping powder, or acrylic.
Sure. Let me explain. Regular polish is quick and affordable, but it may chip in a few days.
Okay, and what about gel?
Gel lasts up to 2 weeks, stays shiny, and dries instantly under UV light.
Sounds good. How is dipping powder different?
Dipping powder is stronger than gel, lasts 3 to 4 weeks, and doesn't need UV light.
And acrylic?
Acrylic is great for adding length and shaping nails. Perfect for a bold look.
I think I'll go with dipping powder.
Great choice. Let's get started.
Just a few minutes a day, you can use this conversation in real life. Investing in English today is investing in your income and future opportunities. Tell us in the comments which conversation you want to learn next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to share even more new conversations with you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.